Hi students, good morning. Okay, good afternoon. Is my voice audible to everyone? Okay. Till 1 minute is there. Afterwards, I will start. Right. Good afternoon, students. So today we'll discuss the second class on the topic quadratic equations. Already in the last class, we discussed what is quadratic equation and what is the relation between okay, what is a quadratic equation and what is relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation and how to find the roots. Also in the last class we discussed one derivation also given that a proof is not needed, just we have to know when quadratic equation given how to find the roots. What is the formula? Nothing but minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct na? So when quadratic equation given ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. For these roots we have to find out nothing but x is equals to formula. What is means? Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here plus or minus is there means there are two values we have. One should taken as alpha and another one taken as beta. Let us you take my alpha as minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then beta what we have to take? Nothing but minus b root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So like that you can interchange them alpha and beta. One is taken as alpha means another one taken as beta. And also in the last class we discussed sum of the roots and product of the roots formula also given. What is sum of the roots formula? Alpha plus beta is equals to what is that? Minus b by a. And product of the roots formula what is that? Nothing but c by a. This one also in the last class we discussed. Proof c1 given. Next, given nature of the roots, this one also we discussed. Okay, now. So nature of the roots. So roots nature nothing but whether the roots are real and distinct, real and equal, imaginary roots. Based on discriminant, we can say, okay na? So discriminant of a quadratic equation, Q dot E, nothing but quadratic equation. Suppose if they give one quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. For this one, discriminant represents with a delta symbol. Just the discriminant, delta represent nothing but discriminant. How the discriminant we can find nothing but b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So based on this delta value, whether it is greater than 0, whether it is greater than or equals to 0, whether it is less than 0. Based on this one, see, suppose b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are how that nothing but real and distinct. Distinct nothing but unequal, different. Suppose if delta is equals to 0, when delta is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. Once again, delta greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Delta is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. What about delta less than 0? Nothing but it has imaginary roots. Imaginary or complex, whatever it may be, both are same only. The equation having complex roots or imaginary roots. So this one we will discuss in the first year complex numbers separate chapter is there. There delta less than 0 and discriminant less than 0 means how to find the roots, imaginary roots, so how to find out, we'll discuss there. So just we will discuss now this one, nothing but when quadratic equation having real and distinct roots, when the quadratic equation having real and equal roots, how to find. So this is nature of the roots. Nature of the roots nothing but it says whether how the roots are real, distinct, real, equal, imaginary. Based on discriminant we can say, right, wait 1 minute. Right, sir. Kannada explains, sir. Sir, CBSE students already written again. We should write these notes. That is of your wish. Just CBSE students, na, you are already attended for that, right? Just you can observe, and if you want, you can write. Else, no need to write the notes. Understood? Ma Kannada means a little bit I know, but I can't speak completely in Kannada. Okay, na? Little bit. Wherever if there somewhat words I will use, but not a full pledge. Okay, your voice is not visible. Voice will not visible. Voice it should be audible. I think I speak with a loud voice only. Okay, right. So based on discriminant, we can decide the nature of the roots, whether real and distinct, real and equal, and imaginary roots. Understood? Now we will discuss some problems based on uh, what we discussed in the last class. So one by one question, if you observe, you will get an idea how to solve. See, question number 1. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0, then what we have to find out nothing but alpha cube into beta plus alpha into beta cube is equals to, suppose options they given minus 6 plus 6 10 minus 3. Suppose one objective question they may given like that. Okay na? Already you have multiple choice questions in lower 10th class, how to attempt, right? So there are four options given. If alpha and beta are the roots of that quadratic equation, what we have to find out? Nothing but alpha cube into beta plus alpha into beta cube. That value we have to find out. So if you know, you can solve, just else you observe the solution, how to find. So what is the quadratic equation given? X square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here it is in the form of general quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, correct now? So now if you compare, a is equals to how much? 1. B value how much? Minus 1. C value how much? 2. First you have to write like that, A, B, C values we have to write. Then what we have to find? C. Alpha Q beta plus alpha beta cube. This one we have to find out, correct? What is alpha and beta here? Roots. Now this value how to find? See, shortcut, okay na? Instead of finding the roots, we can directly find out. Here, what is common in both the terms? Alpha is common. Next, what is common? Beta is common. Then what is remain? From first term, alpha taken common, beta taken common means what is remain? Alpha square remain. From second term, alpha taken, beta taken common means what is remain? Beta square remain. Understood? So alpha cube into beta plus alpha into beta cube. From that, alpha beta taken as common, this one remained. See, you remember a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square formula? In lower classes we have a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So that one here you use alpha beta into. So here if I replace this formula, how can you write? Nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Understood? So alpha beta, first step alpha beta taken common. Then what you will get? Alpha square plus beta square. So a square plus b square, right side I written formula, a square plus b square, nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Wait 1 minute. Yes, answer 6. I think it is plus 2ab. No, not plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, nothing but what you will get? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here plus 2ab, this minus 2ab cancel means this one only will come, right? That's why I written a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now alpha square plus beta square, how to write? Nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now come to question. From given quadratic equation, what is sum of the roots and product of the roots? What is sum of the roots formula? Minus b by a. Product of the roots formula, what is that? C by a. So already a value, b value, c value is given. So what is minus b by a? Nothing but what will get? 1 by 1. Nothing but what will get? 1. Product of the roots, nothing but c by a. Nothing but what will get? 2 by 1. Nothing but 2. So the two values here you substitute. Nothing but what will get? 2 into alpha plus beta whole square. Nothing but 1 square minus 2 alpha beta. Nothing but what will get? 2 into 2. So total simplify, what will get? 2 into 1 square, nothing but 1. 2 into 2, nothing but what will get? 4. So answer, what will get? Nothing but minus 6. So option is, what is that? First option. So instead of finding alpha and beta, based on sum of the roots and product of the roots, we can find the value. Understood everyone? I think no doubt in that question. Next, we'll solve one more question. See, if 1 plus m into x square minus 2 into 1 plus 3m into x plus 1 plus 8m is equals to 0 has equal roots, then m is equals to, m value we have to find out. The given options as 0, 1, second one 0, 2, third one 0, 3, fourth one none of these, nothing but the three options are wrong. So we have to find the equation has equal roots. When quadratic equation has equal roots, what is condition? Nature of the roots we discussed, right? So solution we have to observe. So first, what is quadratic equation given? 1 plus m into x square minus 2 into 1 plus 3m into x plus 1 plus 8m is equals to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So just by observing, we have to find, just to compare and write down that values. Okay, now, so what is a value here? Compare. A is equals to 1 plus m. B is equals to minus 2 into 1 plus 3m. Along with the sign, we have to take just the x coefficient. Observe x coefficient b, their x coefficient minus 2 into 1 plus 3m, and c value. What is c? Nothing but 1 plus 8m. So these are ABC values. So the given, it has equal roots. Remember, important model question. When quadratic equation has equal roots, then condition what is that? B square minus 4AC is equals to 0. When quadratic equation has equal roots, then condition B square minus 4AC is equals to 0. When B square minus 4AC greater than 0, nothing but the roots are real and distinct. But B square minus 4AC delta is equals to 0 means the roots are real and equal. So when equal roots means condition what we have to take? B square minus 4AC is equals to 0. Now B square, see, this one square we have to consider. What is the B square? Nothing but minus 2 whole square, nothing but 4 into 1 plus 3m whole square. Understood? Minus 4AC, 4 into A value how much? 1 plus m. C value how much? 1 plus 8m is equals to 0. Like that we have to substitute. Still you have the doubt means B square. Observe, minus 2 into 1 plus 3m whole square. Like this we have to write minus 2 square, minus 2 whole square, nothing but 4 into 1 plus 3m whole square. Like this we will get. Understood? Now simplify this equation. 4 into it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab. This only will come. Understood? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 into these two terms multiply. These two terms multiply means 1 into 1 into 8m, nothing but 8m m into 1 nothing but m, m into 8m nothing but 8m square is equals to 0. All of you understood the step? Next, now simplify. 4 into 1 nothing but 4. 4 into 9m square nothing but 36m square. 4 into 6 nothing but what will get 24m. Next here minus 4 into 1 nothing but minus 4. Minus 4 into 8m nothing but minus 32m. Minus 4 into m nothing but minus 4m. Minus 4 into 8m square nothing but minus 32m square is equals to 0. Understood everyone? Just multiplied, simplification only. Now total equation simplify. Here 36m square, here 32m square. In 36m square, 32m square subtracted means what will get? 4m square will get. Next 24m minus 32 nothing but minus 8m. Minus 8m minus 4m nothing but what will get? Minus 12m. Next constants observe. Here plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Then what will get? Is equals to 0. There is no constant. Constant get cancelled, right? Now observe. What is common in this one? 4 common. Next what is common? M common. What is remain? 1 m remained here. Here what is remained? 3 remained. Understood? Is equals to 0. The step understood everyone? 4 taken common, m also taken common, remaining 1 m remained and 1 3 remained. So now first from this one we can write either 4m is equals to 0 or m minus 3 is equals to 0. From this m is equals to what will get? 0 by 4 nothing but m value how much? 0. From this m value what will get? Nothing but 3. So therefore m values what will get? Nothing but 0 or 3. Come to the question, observe which option is the correct option. Third option is the correct option. Understood everyone? Sir, once again tell sir. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, no doubt sir. Right, the last step is not understood. Last step, wait. Okay, see, last step not understood. See here 4m square minus, from here onwards I will explain. 4m square minus 12m is equals to 0. Here I took 4 common, correct na? Here also, from here also 4 I took common, 1 m I took common. So here 1 m remained here. Here 4 taken common, m also taken common, remaining what we have? Nothing but 3. So 4m into m minus 3 is equals to 0. Either 4m is equals to 0 or m minus 3 is equals to 0. 4m is equals to 0 means m is equals to here 4 multiplied. Right side taken means it divided. So 0 by 4 nothing but 0. M is equals to 3. Therefore option 3 is the correct one. First step 4. Where it from sir? Sir, please repeat why the nature of the roots formula taken. Why the nature of the roots taken? Nothing but here in the question what they given? The quadratic equation has equal roots. So they given the nature of the roots. This quadratic equation has equal roots. Nothing but compulsorily we have to take discriminant as 0 only. How 6m? Right, sir. Right. 6m is came, sir. Please repeat the example. 6m, where it is 6m? Ha. 6m, how it will come? A plus b whole square, na? See, expansion 1 plus 3m whole square. A plus b whole square expansion. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So 1 square nothing but 1. 3m whole square nothing but what will get? 9m square. 2 into 1 into 3m nothing but what will get? 6m. Like that we have to write. Understood. Sir, it is clear. Go next. Right. Very good. Next question, observe. Question number 3. The equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 has the roots. It has the roots alpha and beta. This has the roots alpha and beta. Then find the value. So find the value of alpha square plus beta square. First question, that one. Second one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. Fourth one, alpha minus beta. See, the question, the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 has the roots alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the roots given. Then we have to find one by one. That four sub questions are there na? That 4 we have to find out. See, solution, if you know, you can solve. Else you observe how I am solving the question. So given quadratic equation, what is that? X square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Just by comparing here, a value how much means 1, b value how much means 1, c value how much, nothing but 1, and given alpha and beta are the roots. If these are the roots means we have na sum of the roots and product of the roots formula also we have. What is sum of the roots formula? Minus b by a. Product of the roots formula, what is that? C by a. What is minus b by a? Nothing but minus 1 by 1. Nothing but what will get? Minus 1 only. Product of the roots, so c by a, nothing but 1 by 1. That is nothing but also how much? 1 only. Understood? Now we will see one by one. We have to find first sub question in that. What is that? Alpha square plus beta square. It is in the form of a square plus b square. How to write them? Already in the last problem we discussed na? A square plus b square nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So alpha square plus beta square means how to write? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. This is the formula. First, next, second question. What is second question? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This one we have to calculate now. Take LCM. What is these two fractions LCM? Alpha, beta. What will get numerator? Beta plus alpha. Now you can easy to find out. Third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. This one we have to find out. So we know a cube plus b cube in lower classes formula. This one, a cube plus b cube nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. This is the formula we have in lower class. A cube plus B cube is equals to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB of A plus B. Using that formula, how to write alpha cube plus beta cube? Nothing but alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That one we can write using that formula. Understood? Right. Wait for 1 minute. In the chat box, some of they said, right. Sir, how that a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab? Hare Nana, already I written in the previous problem, right? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Once observe, I will just share the screen. Here is there, see? A square plus b square nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab na. Plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel means that one only will come, right? That's why. Still have the doubt, students? Right, once again explain first example, third answer 0, fourth answer 2, right? Wait, Nana, I will do, you can verify the answer. Right, first one, alpha plus beta whole square. So what is alpha plus beta value? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta nothing but 1. So minus 1 whole square nothing but plus 1. 2 into 1 nothing but 2. Therefore, first answer what is nothing but minus 1. Come to second question. Here in the second question, what is there in numerator? Beta plus alpha. Alpha plus beta na, beta plus alpha na, both are same only na. What is that value? Minus 1 by alpha beta value how much? 1. So minus 1 by 1 nothing but what will get? Minus 1 only. Understood everyone? Next, come to third question. Here, alpha plus beta whole cube. Alpha plus beta, there you replace the value of alpha plus beta. So what will get? Minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta, nothing but 1. Alpha plus beta, nothing but minus 1. Now simplify. What is minus 1 whole cube? Minus 1 only. Minus this minus into minus nothing but plus 3 into 1 into 1 nothing but 3. Therefore answer what will get? Nothing but 2. Understood? Next, the last question. What is last question? In that last sub question, alpha minus beta. So see, alpha minus beta, how to find out? So we have, yesterday in the last session, I said a minus b whole square is equals to, what will get? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. If you want, you can simplify a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square will get this one only. From this, a minus b is equals to, what can you write? Nothing but a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So using this formula, I will write, just to observe, alpha minus beta from above formula. How can you write? Nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha into beta. Like that you can write. Now sum of the roots, alpha plus beta nothing but how much we have the value? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 4 into alpha beta nothing but how much? 1. Simplify under the root, minus 1 whole square nothing but 1. Minus 4 into 1 nothing but 4, means what will get? Nothing but root minus 3. So that is a alpha minus beta value. Wait for 1 minute. Right, root minus 3. Very good, very good. What is the meaning? WKT. WKT nothing but we know that. Okay, in the lower classes they may, I think your sirs will use that one. That's why I written We know that WKT nothing but we know that. Sir, explain the fourth problem. Sir, explain from first. Sir, show the screen from question to take the question. Ah, right. 1 second. I will show the question. See. Right. The equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 has the roots alpha and beta. Then find the value of first one alpha square plus beta square. Second one 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Third one alpha cube plus beta cube. Fourth one alpha minus beta. So first quadratic equation, if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c, a value how much? 1, b value 1 and c value also 1. And alpha and beta roots given nothing but we can find sum of the roots and product of the roots. Understood? Sum of the roots formula is minus b by a. Product of the roots formula is c by a. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1. Alpha beta is equals to 1. One by one we have to observe. First question, alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square, how to write? Nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2ab. Sorry, 2 alpha beta. I think it is clear. You can a plus b whole square expansion. If you replace here, we'll get LHS RHS same only. Like that also you can find. So alpha plus beta value minus 1. Minus 1 whole square nothing but plus 1. 2 into 1 nothing but 2. 1 minus 2 value how much? Minus 1. Second question observe. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So the two fractions LCM how much will get? Nothing but alpha beta. And if you take here the numerator means beta plus alpha. This is sum of the roots. This is product of the roots. Just to replace we'll get to minus 1. Third one alpha cube plus beta cube. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. This formula here used alpha cube plus beta cube. Similarly, how can you write alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta? Values replaced will get 2. And that last question observe alpha minus beta. So a minus b whole square formula a plus b whole square minus 4ab. If you want, you can split a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, both sides. LHS equals to RHS. So the formulas you remember while doing, you have to remember, okay, a minus b whole square, nothing but a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a minus b is equals to square, we are removing now. So root I consider here and alpha plus beta for alpha beta. So just in the terms of alpha and beta replace it now. Value simplify, you will get root minus 3. I think all of you understood. Else, if you do solve again in the home once again that question. So why you wrote a 4ab? Explain from question 1. Already I repeated 2 times the question. Once you do yourself. Why? Because some students understood means they will get a bore. Okay, na? That's why clearly you have to observe what I am writing on the board. Right. Next question. If one root of the equation 5x square plus 13x plus k is equals to 0 is the reciprocal of the other, then find k. Just it is the question. So if one root of the equation is reciprocal of the other, then k value we have to find out. Wait for 1 minute. If you know, you can do that. Sir, you will send homework in group, sir. Last Saturday, I didn't send any homework. So today I will send. Right. If one root of the equation 5x square plus 13x plus k is equals to 0 is the reciprocal of the other, then find k. So once observe solution. Right. So what is quadratic equation given here? 5x square plus 13x plus k is equals to 0. If this one given, so it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Just by comparing a value, what will get? Nothing but 5. B value, what will get? 13. C value, what will get? Nothing but k. Correct now? A value 5, B value 13, C value k. Now let us you take, let alpha and beta are the roots. Let alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the roots, what is condition in the question? Observe just if one root of the quadratic equation is reciprocal of the other. One root is reciprocal to another one. See, 2 reciprocal, nothing but what is that? 1 by 2. 3 reciprocal, 1 by 3. 4 reciprocal, 1 by 4. Understood? So, one root is reciprocal of another one. By the time beta is equals to what can you write? 1 by alpha, or alpha is equals to 1 by beta. You can take whatever the condition. So one root is reciprocal of another one, nothing but one can be written as 1 by that one. So beta, either you take 1 by alpha or alpha taken as 1 by beta. From these two, what can I write? Alpha into beta is equals to 1 only, na? Either beta is equals to 1 by alpha or alpha is equals to 1 by beta. So cross multiplied. Cross multiplied means alpha beta is equals to 1. Alpha beta nothing but what is that? Product of the roots only, na? Alpha beta nothing but product of the roots. That value 1. What is product of the roots formula? C by A. So C by A is equals to 1. From here, what is C by A? Nothing but ABC values we have, right? C by A nothing but K by 5 is equals to 1. Cross multiplied, K value how much will come? Nothing but 5. Understood? If one root of the quadratic equation is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. Let us say taken alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha is reciprocal of beta, else beta is reciprocal of alpha. By the time you can write beta is equals to 1 by alpha, else alpha is equals to 1 by beta. Cross multiplied means we'll get alpha by alpha into beta nothing but how much? 1. Alpha into beta nothing but what is that? Product of the roots only now. What is product of the roots formula? C by A. C by A nothing but K by 5. So K value cross multiplied will get a 5. Understood everyone? Right. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. How we cross multiplied and what is there in that? Cross multiplication. I think you learned in lower classes, right? Many are solved, I think. K is equals to 5. Yes. Right. So today I will end this session, and tomorrow we will discuss later some of the last content in the quadratic equations. Okay, na? Today I will send some 2 to 3 questions. I will post in the group. You can solve, and no need to send to anyone. Once again, I am repeating. So no need to send to anyone. Just you solve and check. I will send even answer. What is that? According to that, whether you will get or not. Understood? No need to send in the group. No need to send to me even. Understood? Right. Today I will end the session. Thank you, students.